Fayose corruption trial transferred to another judge as EFCC requests. Now welcome to our YouTube channel. Abeg, if this na the first time when I dey watch our YouTube channel, abeg make una subscribe. The Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, Adamu Abudu Kafaratai, he don transfer the criminal trial of the former governor of Ekiti State, Ayodele Fayose, to a new judge following a petition wey EFCC don write against them. The EFCC, in the petition dated 21st May 2019 and signed by its chairman Ibrahim Magu, they sought say make they transfer the case away from the judge Mojisola Olatoregu of the Lagos Division of the Federal High Court on the ground that they lost confidence in her. The case now they don't transfer am to a new judge wey be say na Chukwu Joku Aneke. Mr. Abudu Kafaratai responds, convening the transfer was contained in a letter dated May 23, 2019. He say, I refer to the petition of the EFCC on the case with our lordship. When they read the letter, he said, the prosecution say they lost confidence on the judge concerning the case, and the justice must not only be done, but must be seen to have been done. Now, wetin EFCC talk, I quote them, say, I hereby transfer this case to Honorable Justice CJ Aneke for hearing. The transfer can follow a heated exchange in open court during the last proceeding between Judge Olatoregu and Rotimi Jacob, a senior advocate of Nigeria and the counsel of the EFCC. Mr. Jacob, you dare not. You are not competent to look into my ruling, according to them. They can't evaluate the ruling. They can't say you are totally incompetent, whether you are a senior advocate or not. And so the thing can't get Mrs. Olatoregu angry, can lashes out at the EFCC lawyer. After the latter made comments, she can deem critical of her ruling. She can say, you can only go on appeal, Mr. Jacob. Your mode of advocacy, I do not understand. He said it look like, say, what you call it, Jankara market. I think they call them the English they speak with that. All right. You stand here to reevaluate my ruling. You are incompetent. I think the judge tell him to do that. He say, you do not stand here with impetus. Can they reevaluate my ruling? I say, I don't rule on 2 sections of the Evidence Act. If you have an objection, you can go on appeal. You have no competence carrying your wings with arrogance. And we have a lot of young lawyers here. What are you teaching them? You stand up to a judge, reevaluating the ruling of a judge. It will not happen. I think the judge tell him, say it will not happen. How you going to fight against my judge? How you going to fight against what I don't talk? He say, what you teach young lawyer? He say, you are re-examining your witness. If you are not re-examining, then close your case. I think the judge can finally talk. The next day, the EFCC can petition Mr. Abudu Kafaratai, requesting say another judge take over the case. Mr. Fayose, the immediate past governor of Ekiti State, can face the 11-count charge of conspiracy and money laundering instituted by the EFCC. They can't charge Mr. Fayose alongside a company of Spotless Investment Limited, which they say now Fayose get also in October last year. He completed not guilty at all the charges and was granted bail in the sum of 50 million naira with one surety in like sum. The trial, which began in November 2018, could enjoy accelerated hearing, with the prosecution calling 13 of its 15 witnesses before the transfer to another judge. With the transfer of the case, however, the trial is expected to begin afresh. Alright, now Fayose case only get since last year with this. So make una just dey lis ten to our YouTube channel while we dey give una more update of news as we take get am. Na so we dey add am dey give una go well. Alright, una take care of una sef. Now just dey subscribe to our latest news. God bless una. Na doh.